Okay guys, today we're going down the creek by our house. It's like 2 blocks away, and there's some spawning bass in there, and they may or may not hit. Kind of finicky in these creeks and stuff, but we're gonna try and catch them. I'm bringing one spinning rod, got a flute, got a tube rigged on there, and
Will is using my spinning rod. It's the Abu Garcia Blue Max, and Gabe got these 4-inch Senkos from Yum, and then I just rigged it with a bullet weight.
So see you down there. So we just got down to the creek, and this is the creek. Is it good for fishing? Not really. Are you fishing it? Why? We have nothing better to do, but there are some bass in here. I'll show you. There's a bed like right over there. You can see this bank right here. Yeah. The sun's kind of bad. Here, I'm gonna go over here. Maybe you can see it right here, but yeah. So right there, there's a bed right there under that bush, and you can see this entire bank. The creek actually goes back a little bit under there, so they have a spot to kind of hide under, and they'll kind of trail all along in there. But there's a bed like right there. Okay guys, first cast right over there. Look what I got there. There's a bass. Caught him on a tube, literally my first cast. I hardly ever catch fish my first cast, and so I just didn't have the camera going. I'm so sorry. Oh shoot, dude. He's not ready to be grabbed. Crap. Look at this guy. Gosh darn, man. That came out right. Look at there, boys. Solid 2. Skinny though. It's probably the male. Kind of want to go get the female though. There we go. Go away, bass. There he goes. Came right out after that tube. It was crazy, like so many of them came out for it, and believe it or not, I've never fished a tube, literally. I fished some small tiny ones for like crappie, but never for bass. And I just casted right kind of in there, and I was kind of working it back and didn't even see one, and then I saw a dark figure come right out of the bank. Boom. You hit it. Oh, about to get hit. About to get hit. There's one looking at it. One looking at it. Does he have it? Nope. I almost got hit there, guys. I have not fished down here in a while. Oh, about to get crushed. About to get crushed. Oh, darn it. He hit it. He hit it. Just kind of fishing. I'm like ice fishing right now, guys. Oh. Oh! I had one on. Okay. Oh, there's a bed. Oh, there's a bass. Oh. Bass is checking out my jig. See if he'll thump it. Come on, dude. Crush it. Crush it, man. Crush it, man. Crush it, man. Oh, hit it. You hit it. Not wanting to crush it, though. Oh. He like went away. Oh! Ah, dang it. Oh. Does he have it in his mouth? Ah, darn. He had it in his mouth again. Freaking kidding me. Come on, man, just freaking engulf it. We'll have him on there for a sec. Oh man, he's staying busy. Where you at, bro? Where are you at? Oh, he hit it. Got it. Got him. Ah. Whoa, shoot. Been chasing that dink.
Where?
That little guy. For a while. Got him though. Red lip. Been hitting bluegill. Probably got finned there by bluegill, but sweet. Let's get this guy back to make some bass babies.
No, throw him back in the direction of his bag.
No, he'll swim back. I don't want to throw him. He'll get stunned. Whoa. Shut up fast. Oh, see him. See him. He's a nice one. Oh, see him. Oh,
Get him back in there.
no, but he's right. Okay. Will caught that spawning bass finally. He's got him on. As I was rigging up, cheer, speed crawl, whatever you want to call it, on. And Will, ooh, is that the same one I caught?
Yeah.
Same fish that I caught. Yep, same fish that I caught. Poor fish. It's been caught twice in like 30 minutes. Jigs are good for spawning bass, guys. Got it. Got him. Got him. Just got that guy. Right over there. Skinny, but that's the male. See how big his head is compared to his body? That's a big bass, guys. Especially for a creek. I'm gonna get him back in the water. Let's go back. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video today. Will caught a few. He didn't tell me he was catching some, or I would have brought the camera over there, but apparently he caught 2 down that way. I caught a few, and they're spawning. It's really clear. Caught that nice one, and it was really fun, but we're gonna end the video here. Please guys, subscribe and leave a like down below. And as always guys, cast with purpose.